Hey guys, I'm Avil back again with another video. This time it is about this Nokia 5.3. Finally, I've received this package and yes, in this video, let's unbox this and we'll see, what is there in the box and how good this phone is. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button to watch more videos. And if you've already subscribed, a big thank you to all of you guys. So let's get started with this unboxing. And this one, I have this 4GB version. You have this option of the other option is of 6GB, but I won't recommend that because that is really overpriced. This one is also overpriced, but yes, we can get it. Yeah, so this is the box. First we have the phone itself. Okay, it is a bit bulky apparently. Here you will have this SIM ejector tool, and then what's there? Oh, that's good. This time Nokia has provided this TPU cover, so this is good. What else inside? Here we have this charger. Okay, nothing is there. Here we can see if it is written anything here. So it's not a fast charger, so that's really bad. Okay, we have this pair of earphones, so I don't know who uses this. This is the charging cable. So that's it, what we get inside the box. So the good thing that I have observed is this TPU cover they have included in the box, so that's a good thing. So now let's check on the phone itself. Here is this, and yes, I've got this cyan, this is the cyan color, and it is looking good, but as I said, it is a bit bulky, because of the screen size, on the box. Let's see. Here you can see that. Yes, here. Okay, here you can see that it is having this 6.5-inch HD plus display. So the display quality will be a concern. We'll be checking on that. The Snapdragon 665, chipset is there. 30 megapixel and 5 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor you'll be getting on the rear here. So, and the front camera is of 8 megapixel. Okay, and the battery size is 4000 mAh. So we'll see. Now by the time I turn this up and set it up, here is the specs, the quick specs for you guys. So the setup is done. Before we check on the UI and other stuff, let me give you the physical overview. You can see that the device is made of plastic, the glass is plastic, the frame, everything is plastic. And on the top you have this headphone jack, secondary mic. On the at the bottom we have this USB Type-C port, mic, and this is the speaker grill. And yes, on the right we have this the power button and the volume rockers. On the left we have this dedicated Google Assistant button and the SIM tray. Now let's check if we have dedicated micro SD slot or not. Yes, it is there, so that means you can expand the memory without any problem if you want. Now let's check on the UI. As you know that it is one of the Android One devices, so obviously the UI is very almost close to Pixel devices, and it is quite responsive and no bloatware. Okay, so that's a really good thing, and this is the most like the things about Nokia devices according to me. What do you think about it? Let me know. Now let's check the settings to check on the storage, which is used already. Here you can see that out of 64GB, 16.79 GB is already used. Now another thing that I'm going to check is the Android version. Here you can see that it is running on Android 10. Yeah, and I have already received the security patches, so I need to install them. Now let's check on the first concern, the display on this device, because it is having this full HD, no, it is having HD plus display. And if you have used or you are using full HD plus display and you're switching to this one, then obviously you will observe the difference. And the first thing that you will notice that you won't be able to play full HD videos on YouTube or Amazon Prime or Netflix. So if you want to watch full HD videos, then this device is not for you. Now display is not that bad, but yes, as I said, if you are using any full HD plus display device, then you will observe the difference here. Okay, now let me play one video to show you the quality of the display. Let's play this video to show you this display, how good it is. According to me, I'm actually surprised because this is having just HD plus panel, but the quality of the display is really good. If you check this video, the quality is good. According to me, it is actually far better than any other devices which are having HD plus panel. So it is actually good according to me. And the viewing angles, the color reproduction, and the sharpness is really good. Though it is not having this pure display technology, but it is actually good according to me. You let me know your opinion. Now let's check on the sound. So this is the maximum volume that you can get. And I can say that it is a bit on the lower side. The loudness could have been better. So if you are surrounded by people, you're outside, outdoor, then the loudness is a concern. Okay, the quality is fine, not a problem. There is no distortion at the maximum volume as well. Yeah, it's okay, not a problem, but yes, the loudness could have been a bit high. Okay, now yes, as I said, the display is fine. This is the maximum brightness that you can get. Now let's check the fingerprint scanner. This is my concern. Yeah, yes, it is a bit slow. Yes, it takes 1 to 2 seconds and sometimes it doesn't work. So this is a problem with most of the Nokia devices. Another concern that I have, I'm going to check it now, the camera app. If you fire up the camera app, here you can see that we have all the options. Yeah, my concern will be the processing time that it takes in case of this portrait mode. Now let's do it. Yeah, same problem here again. Even I have actually reported this to HMD Nokia Twitter handle, but they are not listening. You can see that the processing is a bit laggy. Okay, now let's check the front camera. Yeah, it is good. Again, here you can see that it is a bit laggy. Yeah, but yes, the picture quality is looking good. So guys, that's it. Initially I can say that I was a bit too skeptical about this device, but the device is looking good, particularly the build quality, and the displays is also okay. Cameras are also looking good, but they must update this app. It is a bit slow. Now I'm going to make more videos on this device. I will compare this one with Samsung M21, Nokia 7.2. So if you want to watch more videos on this device, then do hit the subscribe button and let me know your opinion. And I'm leaving you with these photo samples, so you let me know how good are they. We'll be making more videos about the cameras and speed test and gaming also. So stay tuned and let me know your opinions in the comments. Okay, now let's check this one as well before leaving. The TPU cover is looking good. The quality is good. Yeah, it fits good as well. So guys, check on these photos and see you in the next video.